In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a form in Go High Level. This is a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you'll be able to create and customize your own form easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Go High Level. If this is your first time working with Go High Level, you'll need to search for it in your browser's search bar, and it should be one of the first results that pop up. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sites section. This is where you'll find all the tools for creating and managing your online forms. Click on Forms within the Sites section. This will take you to the Form Management area. To start creating a new form, you'll simply click on the plus Add Form button. This option is usually quite prominent on the page and is your gateway to creating a new form from scratch. After you click the plus Add Form button, the first thing you'll want to do is give your form a name. It's essential to choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of your form, as this will help you identify it later, especially if you end up creating multiple forms. Now, let's move on to adding elements to your form. You'll notice a plus sign that allows you to add various elements to your form. These could be input fields, such as text boxes, checkboxes, or drop-down menus, depending on what information you need to collect from respondents. Take your time to think about which elements best suit the form you're designing, as this will make a difference in the user experience. Next, click on Settings to customize your form further. Here, you have options to refine your submission message, which is essentially the message that users see after they successfully submit the form. It's a good idea to write a friendly and informative message to thank them for their submission. In this area, you can also enable Sticky Contact, which helps in keeping contact fields pre-filled when a returning visitor fills out the form again. Additionally, you have the option to use a GDPR-compliant font to ensure your form adheres to data protection regulations. Once you've set everything up, you can view the submissions. This section is where all submitted forms appear, providing you with easy access to the data you've collected. Finally, before you wrap up, don't forget to preview your form to ensure everything looks good and functions as expected. Once satisfied, hit the Save button to preserve your hard work. And there you have it. You're now ready to start collecting information efficiently with your new form in Go High Level. Good luck!